Swink showed up to the project. He laid it out carefully, worked out problems that we had with regard to details, and within a matter of weeks, they pretty much had things figured out. He was very design conscientious, and the entire team has been working pretty hard to make sure that all of the welds are perfect and structurally sound. In construction, there's frequently problems that come about. Nate worked through them, fabricated the material, and brought it to the site and installed it, which you'll see a final product very soon.
Thanks a lot. Looks good. I love it.
Yeah, I appreciate that. They work hard on it.